The sentiment score for cloud is currently at plus 0.61, which is a significant uptick compared to historical baselines. This spike indicates a notable shift in positive sentiment, suggesting a growing enthusiasm around cloud technologies, perhaps driven by recent innovations or industry announcements. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.23 and 18 semantic clusters, it's clear that discussions are not only increasing, but also diversifying. When you call our API, you get a comprehensive overview of the sentiment landscape, including the sentiment score, momentum, and clusters of related topics. Imagine leveraging this data to refine your cloud product strategy or marketing campaigns. For example, you could target your messaging to align with emerging trends identified in the semantic clusters, helping you stay ahead of the curve. For more insights, check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.